Wherever you are, I hope you are doing well. Natural disasters on the event channel, you are welcome. Switzerland stunned, catastrophic floods and landslides ravage Brienz. A natural disaster has struck Brienz, Switzerland, with devastating consequences. On August 13, 2024, massive rockfalls and floods forced the evacuation of all 70 residents from the small Swiss village. Torrential rains triggered millions of cubic meters of rock to plummet, with giant boulders blocking roads and narrowly missing homes. The once stable rock formation above the village, known ominously as the island, had been unstable for decades, but recent storms have accelerated the rock slides to dangerous levels. The Bernese Oberland, along with the cantons of Uri and Aargau, bore the brunt of these violent storms that swept across central Switzerland on Monday evening. Brienz has suffered particularly severe damage, with floodwaters engulfing the train station and cutting off the CFF line. Striking images reveal the scale of the destruction, from submerged vehicles to landslides that have dramatically altered the landscape. Stay updated on this unfolding situation as Swiss authorities work to manage the aftermath of these catastrophic events. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for the latest news.